If you are staller, take decisions immediately. Take decisions immediately. Because of your delay, a number of problems are going to come. Your growth is going to be delayed. Your growth is going to be destroyed. If you are staller, maintain habit of taking decisions quickly. If you are speed demand, yes, I'm the speed demand. Slow down, get clarity and think. Because hurry, the decisions you are going to take, later your hands are going to burn, later you are going to feel regret. What is the use? That's why if you are speed demand, slow down, think with calm mind and then take the decision. Next up, if you are supervisor, boss, I'm the best supervisor, I will do everything. Delegate at least one small work to some other person. Okay, because without delegation, if you are going to do everything on your own, you won't succeed. You can run pawn shops. You can't run big businesses. Okay, like next up, if you are saver, always worrying about money, always trying to save the money, invest in growth. Growth. Next up, if self-medicator, then obviously this person is always going to convince himself. Okay, I want to see the reels, I want to go for trip, I want to go for movie, I want to sleep for some time. Okay, like that. So because I feel stress, I feel pressure, I feel that and so on. Remove such type of distractions in your life. If you are self-medicator, remove those distractions. Okay, identify which enemy is there inside you. Take one small corrective action about that.